Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the devil from the Cuphead show, so let's get started. To draw this very cool final boss, let's first start by drawing the curve over his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a curve that goes up, and same thing over here. So this is right in between. So we're going to draw these two curves. Then from there we're going to go up. So let's bring this up and nice and high, so say about right here. And let's do the same thing on this side. So nice and high. There. Then from there we're going to start to draw an oval for his eye. So we're going to come down, nice and long oval, and just bring it all the way back up. So if you're using a pencil, you could literally just start with this big oval first and then put in this curve if that's easier. So let's do the same thing on this side. So one big oval, just like the other side. Bring it over, so about right here for the other oval. There. Then let's go inside right here, and we're going to touch this curve up here, and we're going to draw another oval. Close to this edge right here, and then right here I'm going to give it a little notch, and then connect it, and then shade this all in. So let's do the same thing over here. So close to this edge, I'm going to draw an oval, and about right here, give it a little notch, and then finish it off and shade it in. There, very mean already, right? So then from there, let's go ahead and draw his nose. So I'm going to come to the center about right here, and we're going to draw this really long, like this raindrop shape, and connect nice and long and low. Then from there I'm going to come to the side of his eyes, about in this area, and I'm going to draw a curve that touches his eye on both sides. So this is his cheek, and then we're going to basically draw his mouth now. So we're just going to go ahead and connect with a curve. So go across right here, just like the other side, and connect. And then let's thicken this smile up. So we're just going to bring this down underneath his nose. This is our center. Now let's go right back up. There. And now to draw his teeth. So I'm just going to come here very lightly and draw a center line, and then maybe just two angle lines. This one goes this way for his teeth. There. From there, let's go ahead and frame his face. So I'm going to come back to where his eyes are, and right here I'm going to start to draw a curve all the way around. So this kind of circular head. So I'm just going to come right here and do the same thing. And just go all the way around to, let's see, about right here. Just find my center, and so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to go ahead and follow that big mouth. So just go all the way around. And connect. There. Okay, so then now let's go up here. We're going to draw some details for his eye area. So it's right in this area. I'm going to pop out a curve over. And same thing over here. So pop out this curve and then come down. And then in between, we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve to finish off his head. There, nice and evil. And cute, of course. So then from there, let's draw his ears. So we're going to come about right here and come out with a curve and give it a little point, and then come down nice and low to about right here. And then for the details, come in here with another curve, and then there's this little hook part that comes out right here. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Since I'm drawing big, I'm just going to go ahead and drag some points across so I know approximately where to put the other one. So we're just aiming to make them approximately the same size. So it definitely helps if you're drawing big to drag points across. So say about right here and in. Go back to my points. Then from there, same exact thing for the inside. There. And then now his horns, of course. So let's say about right here. I want to end about right here, so I'll come about right here. Since it's easier for my hand to draw down, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and then thicken it up. I'm going to bring it right in between. So let's do the same thing. Come right across, about right here and here, and draw another curve and connect. So now that we're done with his head, let's go ahead and draw his body. So let's come right here underneath, and I'm going to give myself 2 points right here, right underneath, nice and centered. And then from there, this is kind of like where his armpits are. I'm going to come out with a little zigzag for some fur, a little zigzag, and then come down. There. And then let's come about right here. Now that we have that part, the top part of his body, let's come about right here, and then I'm just going to connect it for his tummy. So just this round little tummy and connect. There. And then let's draw his legs since we're down here. And so we're just going to center them nice and straight to make it nice and straight to make it easier. And let's bring this straight down. And as I come down, I'm going to give it some fur. So let's come down here and here. And we're going to go straight down and just here and there, just pop out some fur as we come down. And keep going. Skinny, long legs. And then about right here, I'm going to stop. And just finish it off with 3 curves. So same thing over here. So here and there as you come down. And out. And connect for some fur. Then we're going to draw his big feet. So let's come right here. And we're still trying to make it all nice and centered right in between. So let's draw a big curve right there. And then we're going to come out right here. And then I'm going to start to come in for the bottom. So about right there, I'm going to stop and then come and draw this big toe. So it passes this, and then just going to go ahead and connect with another curve right here to finish it off. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here, stop, bring this in to about right here, and then his big toe, and another curve to finish it off. Now that we are done with this feet, if you like, you can come in here, and I'll just go ahead and erase that later. You can just come in here and just draw some nails right in here. And here as well. So just a curve comes out. There. You know what? Might as well do that right now so you can see a little bit better. That's if you care to put in these little details. From there, let's go ahead and draw his arm. So let's work on this one first, and we're just going to have it on his little hip right here. So let's bring this down. We're going to come right here and go down, and then right here, go down, and then we're just going to come out with some fur again. But we're still aiming towards this way, and then about right here, I'm going to bend it. And I come close to there. Bend it, and then right here we're just going to zigzag again for some fur, and then whatever space you have left, just connect it, and then right here just draw a little curve, and then big curve right here to connect everything for his hand. And then right here, just put in a little nail. Okay, so then now for this hand, let's bring this down. So we're gonna come down. So about the same width as this side. And I want to bring this out past his ear. So I make sure I have enough room to draw his trident that he's holding. So let's bring this down. And about right here. So past his ear so I know I have enough room. Okay, so about right there. And zigzag again for some fur. And then let's draw his big hand. So right here, I'm going to draw a thumb. And then right next to his thumb, I'm just going to give it a little curve. And this is where I'm going to start to draw the trident. So say about right here. Just going to bring a straight line down because it's easier for my hand to draw it downwards. I'm just going to go from the top. And then right here for some details, I'm going to bring in another curve for his fingers. And let's see here, one more. And then just go ahead and connect. There. And once again, you can come in here with some nails if you like for some detail. And let's finish off his trident. So let's come about right. Try to make it as straight as possible. So then about right there, I'm going to go out. Bring it in. And come right back to the center. So same thing over here. Go out and just like the other side, about right here. Come in towards the center. And let's continue the center part right now. Let's go up. And here as well. And then let's draw our arrow towards the center and then come down to finish it off. Okay, so then now let's continue the bottom part. So let's imagine it coming through. And right here. All the way down. So I better look at my camera, make sure I'm going straight to where his feet is. So about right here, and then let's go and finish it off. So definitely turn your paper if you need to get a better angle and connect right here at the bottom. And I'll come in here real quick for his nails and this little part right here. So there, and that is pretty much it here for the devil, my version of the devil from the Cuphead show, that I really hope you love how it turned out and that I helped you draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.